Yeah, my name is Mattias Hansson, and welcome to the revolution. I'm CTO and co-founder of Raymond Solar. I'm also a part of the European Union. We bring a new standard to the market now, a BIPV standard. And here in the picture, you see the revolution. In over 20-30 years, all solar installation have been in the same way. And it's not so good way to do it manually. So we are really disrupting this way to do. We are now looking for 10 million euro in the A round in the end of this year. And we use this money to scale up more prefab factories all over Europe. So little about how to be a successful startup. That is a real question. And it's not so difficult actually. Apple, Google, Amazon, Harley, Disney, Motel, and Raymond. Start with a garage. This is my garage in Sweden. First installation of smart solar roof. And little about our company. We founded the company in 2019. We love sales, so we have a good sales-driven company. Net sales of 14 million, 22, up to 24 million last year. 85 people in the team, and we have developed a smart ecosystem of world-class product. We have the best solar roof in the world today, most efficiency, and with unique prefab innovation. We have also launched the first commercial solid-state battery in Europe for 3 weeks, and we have also a software which makes this system smart. Total, I think we are now installed around 800 systems with flexibility services around Sweden. And we have this prefab factory in Sweden today with 100 megawatt, and we will of course aim to reach a giga capacity in Europe very soon. We have 5 granted patents, and we have won a lot of different awards. We have a very experienced and good management team and board of directors. And little about the problem. What is the problem out there today? Yeah, it's not so good design here to have a traditional panel above the roof. And it's also very high CO2 impact. First install a tile or steel roof, and on top of that install a solar panel with an aluminium frame. Not so good for CO2. And today's solar roof is not so good. Much lower efficiency. This is Tesla solar roof, only 143 watt per square meter. We have roof it here yesterday, 170. It's much lower compared with traditional panel. And it's also a problem with ventilation. The panel is very heat during warm days. Biggest problem is manual installation. 80% of all manual installation today will fail during an inspection. 80%. And it's also time-consuming, expensive, and also the working environmental is not so good. It's very heavy to borrow this panel on top of you. So we have solved all this problem with smart solar roof prefab. When design meets performance, we can offering solar panel in all kind of colors. And we have highest efficiency in the market and longest warranty. And our cooling system make big difference. The warmest day, we can increase the production with over 20% and also decrease the degradation over time. Prefab installation is a big revolution here. 50% cost saving during installation and factory quality every time. And also best working environmental. The only thing our installer lift is a screwdriver. And here is our battery. State-of-the-art battery today. Highest safety in the market, no thermal runaway with solid state. And it's also tailor-made for a flexibility market, high charge and discharge. And also we have 1 million sales in the first 3 weeks. It was a very good launch here. Overall market going up from 300 gigawatt up to 500 gigawatt. Fit for 55 is good. All new building should have solar on top of the roof from 2027. It's good for our prefab innovation. So how we addressing the market is roof replacement and new house production. And this is some of our channel sales. Roofing companies, house factories, construction companies. And about sales, we're going up from 14 to 24. Now we will even increase the sales with solid state and prefab with some more factories around Europe. So if you would like to set up a meeting with me, come to me after this presentation. Thank you.